What's going on, guys? So I have my likes video and I have my dislikes video, and now I'm going to be going through things that I think are kind of pointless about the Ducati Streetfighter 848. This is a 2013 year model Ducati Streetfighter 848. There are a lot of amazing things about it. There's a dislikes video that I did on it also, so if you want to check out the likes video, the dislikes video, then please check that out. But there are a few little things that I've noticed while riding it around for the past 5 months that I've owned it, where I've just caught myself asking, like, why did they do this? Some of those are kind of cool, and then other ones are just kind of like, why? The weirdest thing, and it's one of the things that I mentioned in my dislikes video, is that this does have a tool bag. For a while I thought that this did not have a tool bag, but it does, and it's actually under this part of the tail. It's just kind of like tucked into a place where you can't get to it. If you pull up this back seat, there's just a plastic cover that covers the battery. If you lift up the plastic cover and you take out the battery, you still can't get to the tool bag. But one of the other things, these are fully functional vents that go on either side of the tail, on the left and the right side of the seat, that run around to back here, so you can shine light and you can see all the way through. If I were to shine a light on the other side, on the front side of that, so it is a fully functional vent, and I know they did it for aesthetics, but what are they cooling off back there? I know the battery's back there, but it doesn't get hot. So it is nice that they made functional vents and it's not just a look. Now, coming up here to the ignition, as with most motorcycles, you can lock the ignition, take the key out, right, and now you can't move the handlebars. Hey, that's great. But Ducati also did this, which, I mean, it's kind of cool. So right now I got the ignition unlocked. I can turn the handlebars all the way to the other way and lock it there, which people like to do this for looks, and I mean, that's cool and all. I just don't know why you would want to do that. Maybe it's something that I never investigated that much, and there is a legitimate reason why people want to do that. It's not for looks, but hey, Ducati did it for a reason. It might just be for symmetry because of the way that the triple tree is shaped. It comes off kind of like a dovetail on the bottom. So maybe they just did it completely for symmetry and it ended up accidentally working out like that. I'm not sure. Since I'm around the front of the motorcycle and I'm at the ignition, I was just talking about that. The last thing I'm going to talk about is on the gauges, these two red lights that are going to light up on either side of the gauge cluster. They're warning lights, right? That light comes on whenever I hit a pothole, which I found to be kind of funny because the bike's like, whoa, 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 hey, there's something's going on, but you'd notice that because you just hit a pothole. So they did put it there as a warning light, but it's just kind of like a funny little pointless thing that these lights flash because you hit a pothole. I'm sure Ducati programmed everything that way so that they would tell the rider that, hey, something's going on with one of the sensors, and that just so happens to also pick up potholes and when you accidentally go over speed bumps too fast. But that's it. That's really everything that I could find over the last 5 months. That's just a pointless thing with the Ducati. Thanks a lot for watching this. Please like, subscribe, comment, leave suggested ideas down below, things that you want to see me do videos on with this bike. I do have the engine cover and the two timing belt covers that are going to be going on this, that they have clear windows in them so you can see everything spinning around, and then the clutch cover it's got just a round clear window in it so you can see the clutch. So I'll be doing that whenever I do the oil change on this, and I'll do a video on that also, so please look for those to come. They will be showing up in the description down below after I make them. But again, thanks a lot for watching this video, and God bless you guys.